Did you know a village boy nobody knew became the ruler of 50 million people in just 24 years? This is the incredible story of Chandragupta Maurya. In 344 BC, he was just another unknown kid in ancient India. No royal blood, no powerful family, nothing special at all. But Chandragupta had something different. He could see opportunities where others saw only problems. He started by gathering other young men who felt forgotten by their kings. Together they learned to fight. They studied their enemies. They made smart alliances. One by one, Chandragupta conquered kingdoms across India. He didn't just win battles, he won hearts. He treated defeated enemies fairly. He kept the best parts of old governments while adding his own brilliant ideas. By 320 BC, his empire stretched across most of the Indian subcontinent. It was bigger than Rome at its strongest point, from village nobody to emperor of the world's largest ancient democracy, all before he turned 40. Sometimes the most powerful empires begin with the most powerless people.